All right, we're back to the roofing lab. I'm Dr. D, and we wanted to use this time to go over drones and what the advantages are to utilize this product in your company. We started using drones back when the first Phantom was released. You know, as an owner, it's your biggest fear. One of your biggest fears is somebody falling off the roof. So we have a lot of people in the sales role that go out and they perform inspections on steep slope roofs. And at some point, you've got to call it, hey, greater than 10-12, we don't want you on the roof because we don't want you falling off, hurting yourself. Of course, we have workers' comp insurance, but it's still not smart or not good to recommend getting on roofs greater than a 10-12 pitch. So this is our DJI Mavic 3 model. We think a lot about DJI. That's the only drone manufacturer that we've ever used. So I'm gonna open up this box and kind of show you what a drone looks like. Let's see if I can get in here. There's another sticker here. So this particular model, it's really cool. So back in the day when these first started, you would have to pay, I don't know, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 for a unit that actually had zoom capabilities. So when you do a lot of insurance work, it's very important that you get all those photos with collateral damage to your aluminum HVAC and water heater vents, as well as soft metals like copper. You want to paint that picture for the insurance company that hail has been present on the roof, as well as wind damage. So we will take this unit here out of the box. It comes with extra wings. It's got brand new remote. So what we'll do is we'll take a drone, pull it out of the box, and we'll train each one of our reps to use this properly, and they will in turn take it out in the field, and once it gets to a certain pitch, they'll pull this out and they'll get all those high resolution photos that most insurance adjusters and carriers like to see in order to extend coverage. So the Mavic 3 itself has not been out very long. It's kind of the latest and greatest from an affordability standpoint. This unit is approximately $2,000, so it's got a lot of bells and whistles. Looks like it's got a little case that kind of protects the gimbal and the camera. I'm not exactly sure on the specs on the camera, but I do know that it has that zoom capability. So whenever you take it out of the box, you unfold the wings. There's a lot of stickers that need to be taken off, and then this particular remote will connect to your device, your iPhone or Android, I'm pretty sure. And once you take those photos, you can download them directly to your device and upload them to Company Cam, your CRM, whatever you use from a photo collection standpoint. So these are very handy for safety, and they also make yourself look cool in the field. A lot of customers are like, you know, this provides a wow factor for a client. So when you come out with a drone on their property, I mean, that you instantly legitimize yourself as a professional. So Mavic 3, DJI, highly recommend. Thanks so much for watching. This will be a fun one. This is the first time I've seen a Mavic 3. Yeah, I'm fixing to die.